channel. Today we are going to make a tomato chutney. For that we need tomatoes, green chilies, garlic, curry leaves, coriander, tamarind, zeera, salt. First you have to cut the pieces. Now you have to switch on the stove. And pour some oil. Now you have to add green chilies. Now you have to fry them. Now you have to add garlic, salt, zeera, in a mixie jar. And blend it. After blending, now you have to add fried green chili pieces into it. Now you have to fry tomato pieces. Put tomato pieces and tamarind. Into tomato pieces. And fry them until it becomes soft. You can also add curry leaves and coriander. And fry them. And the tomato was fried well. Now you have to grind it. Now you have to add tomato pieces into it. Add little bit of coriander and curry leaves and grind it. Now tomato chutney is ready. You have to take it into a bowl. Tomato chutney is ready. You can eat it with dosa, rice. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.